Hi, today I want to talk to you about something that can really take your digital art to the next level. Procreate face templates. As an artist, I know that drawing faces can be a challenge. That's why I created these templates. They feature realistic male and female faces, so whether it's a painting or drawing of a human face, from profile pictures to adding facial features on cartoon characters, these comprehensive guides will have you producing beautiful artwork in no time. This first bundle of stamps features 27 different Procreate head guides. They're drawn according to the golden ratio for accurate proportion, and they definitely will help you streamline your workflow and improve your character design skills. They're perfect for illustrators, comic book artists, quick sketches, character designs, or for anyone looking to take their digital art to the next level. Want to create beautiful illustrations of men but struggle with getting the proportions of the male head just right? This next set of Procreate face templates include delicately hand-drawn faces of men that are easy to use and perfect for all levels of digital artists. Do you want to improve your portrait drawing skills and create beautiful illustrations of women? These female face stamps for Procreate will help guide your digital drawings and help you sketch facial features in the right places with the correct proportions. And for those of you who want it all, the big bundle of Procreate face stamps and guides has got you covered, with 27 different head guide templates and both male and female face stamp templates. This bundle will give you the solid and accurate basis you need to create diverse and unique characters. So how do you use these templates? Well, it's simple. You can purchase them by clicking on the links in the description below. Once you've done that, just import them into Procreate. Start off by selecting the stamp that you prefer and stamping it on a clean page. Then create a new layer above the stamp. Choose your preferred Procreate brush and start sketching around the template or above the template, adding details to your portrait and fleshing out the face. You will be able to easily refine your designs without worrying about proportions or asymmetrical features. Spend less time on the technical details and more time on the fun part, the actual drawing and creating your characters. And there you have it, Procreate Face Templates, a valuable resource for your digital art toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital art tips and tutorials.